A reason to celebrate this year, two good monsoons have ensured a bumper wheat harvest in Rajasthan. But it's also become a problem of plenty for the state as the government has nowhere to store the excess food grain. But in Ganganagar in Rajasthan, the local panchayat has come up with a unique solution. It's allowing farmers to dump the wheat at the local crematorium till it is sold, and the farmers are not complaining.
Wheat lying in heaps, tractors laden with this year's bumper harvest. But it's a problem of plenty. The government has nowhere to store this wheat. And some farmers in Rajasthan's Hanumangarh district have come up with an innovative plan, using tin sheds in the local cremation ground to store their wheat.
अठे तो जमींदार कन गिरे अठे शमशान है बड़ी मजबूरी है खूब अनाज होए बिंगो भंडारण बिंगो रख रखाव कोनी होन लाग रही.
Food grain lying in heaps even as funeral pyres burn. The question is, will anybody buy this wheat?
शमशान भूमि में अगर आपने मंडी स्थापित कर दी है और वहां के गेहूं को कौन खाएगा?
But the government admits it's faced with a huge crisis. Last year, the government procured 13 lakh metric tons of wheat. This year, they expect 23 lakh metric tons, almost double. But in the FCI godowns, there's space only for 6 to 8 lakh metric tons.
गवर्नमेंट हम इतना करेंगे वो हमारी स्टेट के लिए ही पीडीएस के लिए हमको चाहिए. उसकी व्यवस्था करने के लिए अब गोदाम वगैरह बनाने के लिए सरकार ने मुख्यमंत्री जी निर्देश दिए विभाग को और अगले साल तक हम इसकी समुचित व्यवस्था करेंगे.
The government's godowns will be ready by next year. But the critical question is, what will happen to this year's crop? It's a problem of plenty for a state like drought-hit Rajasthan. This time around, it's come up with a bumper wheat harvest. But ironically, the government has no place to store this wheat. And the wheat that's lying outside is not only being destroyed by unseasonal rains, but there's also been a drop in prices. With Rajesh Agarwal in Ganganagar in Jaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news in your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.